What are you going to say to everyone?
Having today again to draw Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse?
I don't know.
Who's this?
I don't know.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Okay.
Having today again to draw Hello Kitty.
That's right. We're going to be drawing
With a
Hello
bow.
Kitty with a bow, like always. And you got Hello Kitty right there. Like always. I hope you all draw with us.
I also first.
You got some pom-poms. We hope you draw along. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. That's the first thing we are going to do is we are going to draw
The bow?
Hello Kitty's little bow. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So this is how we're going to draw.
A square bow.
We're going to draw a circle first. So here in the corner, about over there.
Here.
Yeah, a little bit more inside. A little bit more inside. Yeah, there. We're going to draw a circle. So look at me. And draw a circle about that size. Very good. Then we're going to draw two lines. And this is going to be the size of a bow. So the first one goes up. The other one comes down. Oh, you got the wrong way. That's okay. You can draw like that. It's actually kind of at a funny angle. Wow, you just sped it. You were so quick. You know Hello Kitty really well. And then we got two little half circles in the middle of the bow, and that's the bow. Well done.
Am I going a tulip?
Not yet. Let's finish our Hello Kitty, and then we can decorate it however we want. So the next thing we're going to do is draw a little curve. Just about there. And that is going to be the top of Hello Kitty's head. A little bit higher, about there. Yeah. Small curve. There we go. Then we're going to draw Hello Kitty's right ear. And it's going to go like this from behind the bow. Yeah, that's right. On top of the bow. There you go. Then we're going to do...
That looks like a castle.
It looks like a castle. That's okay. It looks really cool. So now we're going to draw Hello Kitty's other ear. Goes like that. So it just sticks out a little bit. Not too high, but about to there. Just sticks out a little bit. Yep. That's right. And then we're going to bring it down. Slowly down to about there. And then we're going to draw around. This is going to be a bit tricky. We're going to go all the way around like that. So I'm going to actually do a line like that. Very good. And then I'm going to draw a line on the other side that comes down to like the same height. So about to there. Great. And then I'm going to join them with a nice smooth curve.
Okay.
Like that. Whoa, that's all right. You can join them. You can just join them there. It's really tricky doing a lot of curves. It's really tricky. So let's draw Hello Kitty's eye. So we're going to start with our left eye, an oval for her left eye. That's right. So left eye.
And we have to colour
like
the whole thing.
And we colour the whole thing. That's right. Perfect. That's it. And then we leave quite a big gap, and then we draw Hello Kitty's right eye, same size oval, and it looks like that.
It's quite tricky to draw the same.
It is, it's good, but you draw those the same really well. And now we're going to draw Hello Kitty's nose, and it's also an oval, but we don't colour that one in because it's yellow. And it's an oval like that.
Super cute.
Super cute, yeah. Very good.
Exactly.
And now we can draw Hello Kitty's little whiskers. We got 3 whiskers.
Yeah,
And they
that
start
looks like
over
a
here.
cat.
So 1,
It doesn't look.
2,
It looks like a cat, doesn't it?
3. Yeah, because a kitty. 1, 2, 3.
1.
There we go. And now we are going to draw Hello Kitty's body. And we're going to do 2 curvy lines. We're going to start on this side. It's going to go curve out and come down. So it curves out a little bit and then comes down. Perfect. And then same one on the other side. Kind of a mirror image like that.
No.
Very good. And then we can join them at the bottom.
That looks like a dress.
Yeah, it is. That's a dress.
I'm gonna do some waves.
You're going to do some waves? Very cool. And then we're gonna do a little loop here at the bottom.
Yeah, like a upside up.
It's like a
Yeah, upside
And
down.
that's gonna be the top of her dress. Very good. And then we're gonna draw an arm coming out over here. Like that. Just a short line that comes out to about there. Very good. And then you can draw a straight line coming back in towards her dress. Very good. And then we're going to draw a big half circle that goes in behind her. There you go. Very good. And now we are going to draw her hand. And she's going to be giving us a thumbs up. You ready?
Awesome.
Okay. Awesome, that's right. So it's a curve that goes like that. That's right, just there. Then you bring it around like that. Very good. And then you're going to draw a little loop. That's the thumb. That's it. That's a thumbs up. And then bring it back in. And then you can just join this there. That's a sleeve. Good job. We're almost there. And now we're going
You
to...
forgot his feet. He can't even walk then.
Yes, she can't draw. We're going to draw her feet now. So we're going to look for the center part. Right, the center part. So we can draw a little reference point there. And I'm going to do the same. There's my reference point. And draw a line that comes down to about there. Good job. Nice. And then we're going to draw it go around like that. So it meets just underneath over there. Yeah, about there. And then you do the same on the other side. Perfect. And then we just join these up here, like that, on either side. Now I draw one leg a little bit flatter than the other leg. And that is our Hello Kitty. So good. Good job. It doesn't matter that they don't look exactly the same. It's really tricky to draw all the shapes really well.
She doesn't have a smile. How can she talk then?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe she doesn't talk. Are you ready to do some coloring? Wow, Summer, how do you like your Hello Kitty?
I love it.
Yeah, I love it too. You did such a good job. And we decorated our Hello Kitties with some words too. Hello Kitty. You did so well.
Mine
Good job.
say Hello Kitty.
Yours also says Hello Kitty, just like your top. High five. Good job, Summer. We're having fun and we're practicing. Hope you all have fun too. Thanks for following us along. Catch you next time.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.